Hi guys, Python GUI here again, and today I'm gonna show to you Arduino project that I built. It's a project to control the LED from Arduino. I put 5 LEDs, the green, yellow, blue, red, and white. So let's run our GUI. So we have our GUI here. We can control each LED. I wanna press the button yellow so we can on this LED, the blue one, the red, the white, green, blue, red, yellow, white, green, blue, red, yellow, green, blue, red, white. So we can just press any button. And I also build two functions to simulate a Christmas tree in a way on and off of the LEDs. We can put the interval of the on and off. I will adjust to 0.5 seconds and press play. Let's see. We have our LEDs with from on and off with an interval of 0.5 seconds. I also build a function to on and off in a random way. I put 5 and go. Totally random. We can also decrease this value. I put and go. And also our wait on. So guys, this is what I built. I will search for more projects to put in my channel. Stay alert until the next. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button. It will help this channel to grow. And until the next. Thank you guys.